Hello viewers, I guess the previous video was a bit completely filled with information that you were exactly looking for, how to attach your car with Uber. In this video I would be explaining you how much Uber pays and how much you can earn per day from Uber. I was at a, I did visit the Uber office in the event that they were hosting in Delhi, and recently I had I had visited the Uber office in Calcutta. So Kolkata. So in Kolkata, what they did is what they do is they have like two effective plans that they have to offer for their partner drivers. The first plan is, let me explain you how it works. So the first plan is 2500 per day, and the second plan is 1800 per day. So in this video I would be explaining you the first part, that is, this is specifically for sedan, because I was interested in sedan. I was not interested for the hatchback class. So this is for Uber X. This is for Uber X. The payment terms are weekly, and in this video I would be explaining you only about the 2500 plan. So these are only for sedans, that is Uber X. How much do they pay? They pay $2500 rupees per day. So yes, that's what they pay. How is it calculated? The same way, they charge somewhere around 9 rupees per kilometer, and then plus 1 rupees per minute. This is per kilometer plus 1 rupees per minute, plus the base fare, whatever it is. It's like 40 rupees, that's the base fare. Yeah, 40 rupees, that's the base fare. And yeah, that's what they pay. So suppose you have a trip for let's say 12 kilometers, so they would charge is 40 rupees the base fare, plus let's say it takes 20 minutes into 1 rupees, that equal to 20, and plus it's 9 rupees per kilometer for a 12 kilometer ride. So it's 108 rupees, 108. Yeah, that brings up to a total of, 108 plus 40 plus 20, 168 rupees. 168 rupees, and they pay you 24%, they pay you 80% of 168 rupees. They keep the 20% for themselves. So that this is what you make, 168 rupees. Plus they have an attractive scheme of incentives from Monday to Thursday, that's the weekdays. They pay 80 rupees per ride for any rides between 1 to 4. So let's say you have done 4 rides, you get 4 into 80. Yeah, 4 into 80. So they have like anywhere between 5 to 10 rides. They pay you 175 rupees per ride. So let's say you make 7 rides, you get 7 into 175. This is extra. They won't be deducting any 20% out of it. The total bill 168 rupees, plus you would be getting this 8 into 4 is like 320 rupees, or 175 into 7, that is what you would be getting total. So this is what you will make, this is what you will be making. So let's say you have done your total billing per ride was let's say you did a work for like 12 hours for today, and for this 2500 rupees per day you need to drive at least at least 12 hours per day. You need to log in into the app for at least 12 hours a day, and a minimum of 4 rides and a minimum of 90 percentage of acceptance of rides. This is the criteria. So let's say for today the total billing was let's say 1,000 rupees. You took already 4 rides, and for 4 rides 2 days a weekend you would be getting 320 rupees extra. So let's say you have done 12 hours of job. It's like 12 hours of job. In total 12 hours of job you have done the billing of total 1320 rupees. So you are not getting 2500 rupees over here, but what Uber guys will do is they will add extra 1180 rupees to make it a complete 2500 rupees. All right, so this is how they work, this is how they pay 2500 rupees. For weekends they have this. For if you drive on weekends, if you make anywhere between 1 to 4 rides, you get 100 rupees per ride. So that's for 4 rides you get 400 rupees. For 5 to 10 rides you get 225 for each. So let's say you have you took 10 rides for today is Saturday, you are getting 2250 rupees extra. There is no 20% of deduction out of it. That's the incentive that they are paying. And if you are doing more than 11 rides, or let's say 11 rides, you are getting somewhere around 325 rupees. So this is the incentive structure. It's 325 rupees plus the total bill. All right. And if let's say if you are exceeding 2500 rupees of complete billing, and let's say total billing for today was around 4000, so what Uber does is Uber pays you the whole 4000. They don't deduct they don't just pay you 2500 and nothing else. So they go ahead and pay you 4000 rupees. Okay, what they take is only 20% of the total bill per ride. They don't deduct anything from the incentives. And if you don't get this 2500 billing, so let's say you are getting a billing of like 1800 or let's say 2000, they would add extra 500 rupees to your account, and then they will make it right. So let's say you are driving 5 days a week, and for 4 weeks you're making how much are you making? 2500 into 20 days, so that's somewhere around 50,000. Yeah, 50,000. So 50,000 is nothing, 2500 into 20 days. Yeah, that's 50,000. So basically 50,000 is nothing, but what you can do is I will show you how to turn this into an income which is more than 1 lakh. You can make your billing which could go beyond 1 lakh. I can teach you how, I can let you know how, because I am doing this. Okay, I have been doing this and I am still doing this. So you keep tuned, you subscribe to this channel, like the video, share the word, and keep subscribing the channel and keep looking out for more updated videos, so that I can teach you how how you can earn more than 1 lakh per month with this. There are excluding the expenses, you can earn somewhere around 30,000 to 50,000 per month. That's excluding the expenses. But I'll in the other videos I'll be I'll teach you how you can earn more money out of it. So this was the first plan, that was for 2500. If you have any doubts, just comment on this video or reach me at sorry, I won't be mentioning my email. You just comment on the videos, so that I'll come and get back to you and I'll explain you all your doubts. Thanks people, have a great day, and please like the video, please subscribe the video, and watch out for the next updated videos. Thanks.